Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these organizing hacks and tools we've got in this video. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. She's in the kitchen. She's wearing her apron. These are some organizers you can use for vegetables and fruits. You can use these organizers in the fridge, and that's an egg holder. This is a small basket you can use for cleaning vegetables and fruits. This is a cooker. This is another cooker you can use for news. This is a cover you can use for food. And this is a small trimmer you can use for shaving your face. And this is another beautiful perfume. This is a sanitizer. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your sandals. This is a cleaner used for jewelry. This is a small folding washing machine. She's brushing her teeth.
When the biological father come to see my child.
前妻等会儿要来，
This is another
来就来呗呀！
一会儿你就说你是我家保姆啊，听见没有？
啥？
the biological mother is coming to see her daughter. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. This is an organizer you can use in the bathroom, and you can also use it in the kitchen to organize your kitchen stuff like small jars and glass bottles. It's really cool. This is another one. You can use this rack in the bathroom